Hi, today let's make tasty ladies finger fry. This is a very tasty and simple recipe. First, what you need to do is take ladies finger, and then what you need to do is wash it and then wipe it and keep it aside like this. Then you need to cut the two ends of the ladies finger and repeat the same for all the ladies finger. Once that is done, what you need to do is add in the slits for the ladies fingers. So from top to the bottom, just use a knife and just slit it down like this, and just check inside as well. Sometimes there will be some worms and all of that, so check for that. Now let's make a tasty paste. For this you need salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, cumin powder and coriander powder, along with some lemon juice, and then add in water and make a smooth paste of it. Once you make a paste of it, that's it, done. What you need to do is apply this paste all over the lady's finger, beautifully marinated inside outside very well, and repeat the same for all of the ladies finger. And if you can, try to marinate it at least for 10 minutes prior and keep it aside. Now in a pan, I've added in oil and then place the marinated ladies finger slowly one by one over the pan, and let at least 2 minutes for it to fry. And every 2 minutes slowly start flipping it over. This will make every side of the lady's finger cook really very well, otherwise it will not be cooked. This is a very simple, very tasty recipe, and it goes very well with your rice, rasam, dal rice, and even your curd rice. Very tasty. This tastes just like your fish fry recipe. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can see the measurement and the ingredients on the screen. Enjoy it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.